Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have some vintage Spic and Span pine cleaner. Take a look at the label. And this has a copyright date from 1983. I don't know how much pine oil this contains, but it says it contains it. So let's get over to the cloud cam and see what this does. Over at the cloud cam, as usual, 1/8 cup per gallon, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it. Pretty thick. This does have a traditional pine scent. So let's see if it clouds up. Look at that. Look at that. It clouds up and then it kind of dissipates. So that's interesting. So it's kind of got a haze to the water. And I can definitely see the pine oil floating on top. So that's a good thing. Let's go back over to the floor cam and see what's going on over there. Back at the floor cam, as usual, I will go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out between rounds in this solution right here, and then once again when I'm done with round 2. Let's get started. Got a little bit of suds kicking up there, so that's good. And very hot water, so I can smell the traditional pine fumes coming off of it very nicely. Not as pleasant as original pine sol from back in the day, but it's pretty good. Let's get started. There's round 1. And you can see why I put that floor mat down. So I get a little rowdy with the rinsing of the mop. Looks like it's picked up some dirt. That water's not clear anymore. Let's go for round 2. And that did a fine job. A little splashy there. Get that taken care of. Here's a look at the water after. You can see through the bubbles. It is quite a bit darker than it was when I started. So the floor was a bit dirty today. Once again, this has been cleaning the floor with vintage Spic and Span pine cleaner. Thank you for watching.